So first, let's see what this npm install does. It will go to package.json and it will check what are the dependencies here and it will install all of these dependencies. What are these dependencies? So the dependencies can be anything like the third-party libraries or the third-party tools or the modules, whatever are dependent for this project to run successfully. How to run this? Directly go to the terminal, type npm install. So this will download all the packages like Web Vitals are the packages here or the Socket IO client or React scroll to bottom. These are all the packages. So it will download and install all the packages into the node modules folder. So if you see here Web Vitals, you can search with the W. You should be able to see something like Webpack or Web Vitals, anything. You can see here Web Vitals. So it will download and install all the dependencies into this node modules folder. So next we are going to talk about npm build. npm build command is crucial when you are ready to deploy your application to production. So during development, you might be working with multiple source files and style sheets or assets. You can see here JS files, CSS, and if you have images, I will be adding that to the assets folder inside the SRC. This npm build command compiles and optimizes all these files and creates a production ready version of your app. How to use this? To utilize this, go to terminal and simply run npm run build. So this will trigger the build process and generates a minimized and optimized assets that load faster and consume fewer resources. So you can see here there is no build folder, but once this is executed successfully, it will create a build folder here. Once the build is successful, it has created a build folder which contains the static folder and index.html and all these files. So these are the minimized and optimized version of these files, whatever we have in the development. Now let's see what npm start does. So this command does exactly what it says. It starts your application for local development. It's especially handy during the development phase when you want to see your changes in action without setting up a complex server environment. So directly in single point we can say that it will start your development application. So how to use this? To start your application, just run npm start. That's it. This will typically start a development server, making your application accessible in the web browser. So this will directly open our application in the browser and user can access it. So remember, understanding these essential npm commands is a fundamental step in your journey as a web developer. So whether you are building a simple website or a complex web application, so mastering these commands will make your development process smoother and more efficient. So these are the breakdowns of npm install, npm build, npm build start. So with these commands in your toolkit, you are well equipped with the managed dependencies and prepare your app for production and run it locally for the development. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my content. And thanks for watching and happy coding.